find that old suitcase, throw in some shorts, your camera, binoculars, and your passport, because we're about to head into an adventure of your dreams. This fall, Light Elegance invites you on an exciting journey inspired by the power of travel and the endless beauty it reveals with the new Venture into Beauty collection. As always, you'll be presented with 6 new colors and 6 new glitters filled with rich, warm neutrals, browns, taupes, and yellows. Yes, I know you have been waiting for this one, which will go perfectly with wherever your adventure takes you. Leslie, the co-owner of Light Elegance, says that the Venture into Beauty collection requires us to break out our binoculars, old-fashioned cameras, and wicker suitcases to explore colors that both took us on a journey and allowed us to accent fall's modern looks. The collection is available in hard gels and gel polishes, and of course are HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So if you got your adventure boots on, then let's jump into our first color. Make sure to pack your passport because you won't get too far without it. A rich dark cream olive green, like a muddy olive with a black undertone. A green that will blend in perfectly with your adventure and fall outfits. Graceful Gazelle, a burnt red with a hint of orange. Perfect if you are being attacked by a vicious lion to scare it off, or maybe that only works with bulls. Or maybe it's the other way around, that it just makes them angrier. Well, either way, you'll look good trying. Don't forget your khakis and cameras, and maybe a hat and some sandals to complete the tourist look. This creamy, soft neutral is a perfect khaki gray and a must to complete your fall minimalist style this fall. The yellow you have all been waiting for, Grazing in Grasslands, is here to save fall and make every outfit look super trendy. A creamy butterscotch yellow, or maybe a dusty mustard. Whatever you want to call it, it's going to be a hit. Let's zoom into this rich wine red and appreciate the beauty through the lens. Every fall needs a wine color, and this wine has that perfect balance of red and brown. A sophisticated burgundy filled with class. Let's check out the Road to Zanzibar. A creamy brown taupe with that perfect muddy vibe. Call it a mud pile taupe or a milk chocolate taupe, whatever rocks your boat, or safari jeep. Our adventure continues deeper into the unknown, where new exciting experiences awaits. If the color collections are the trees, grass, and mountains, then the glitter collections are the sunsets, fireflies, and starry skies. So let's add some dazzle and sparkle to our journey. The glitter collection is also available as hard gels or as gel polishes. Kiss Me in Kenya is your dusty rose glitter gel. The mauve base sparkles with tiny salmon glitter and is filled with superfine glitter particles. Romantic yet fashion. A perfect rosy neutral with class. Our tour guide on this journey is sparkling like a gold statue covered in gold glitter. The perfect combination of brown and gold glitter. A gold with a lot of depth that will blind everyone around you. Get lost in the starry skies and drift away into the Nairobi nights. A fine sparkle with a navy blue base twinkling with rainbow iridescent. An opaque glitter that works on its own but really pops with a black base. Be a safari sweetheart and pop this mesmerizing dark fuchsia on your nails. a glitter mixed with small to medium glitters with flashes of lighter pink and a touch of gold sparkle. Mysterious, sophisticated, but oh, so lovely. Adventure awaits around every corner, and especially with this antique diamond glitter. This is soft and elegant in a neutral glitter with a light touch of gold. The white and pearl sparkle manifests that classic old feeling of must have now. Got a trunk full of love? Well, this trunk is filled with baby elephant gray glitter, a mix of medium and dark gray, together with silver pieces that will make you burst out into a happy elephant trumpet noise. Because we all do that, right? Not just me. No. Sad as it is, every adventure must come to an end. But you can revisit the Venture into Beauty collection anytime you want, starting August 2nd, when they will be available at lightelegance.com and at your closest distributor worldwide. Once again, remember that the collections are available in hard gels and gel polishes, and that they are HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. All products are responsibly made in Redmond, Oregon, and we believe that what's inside matters. So never stop venturing into the unknown, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!